Okay, so here's the part of the project we're at now. When I got my kit from Lion's Kit, the box was damaged. I'll show a picture of that in a second. But what it's done is left me in a situation to need to repair a panel. So I've never repaired fiberglass before. So I've watched like 3 YouTube videos and now I'm an expert. So we're about to get this thing started. So I've already sanded down where the crack is at, and it's actually cracked in 2 places, right here and at the top. I've sanded down both sides. I've got it level to where it's back flush again. So now I'm getting ready to use the Bondo fiberglass repair kit. It's got the resin, it's got the hardener, a squeegee, fiberglass sheets, so I can lay some fiberglass down, mix the resin right, lay some of the resin down, and then put the sheets down and give it time to cure. And then I'll flip it over and put the resin in the cracks on the outer side of it, and then I can start my fitment on the car. Okay, so I just finished laying the resin and the fiberglass down. So I did resin first, then a fiberglass sheet, more resin, and then I used my roller, rolled it out, and then I laid another sheet of fiberglass and another set of resin and rolled it again, rolled the edges on it, rolled over each one of the contours in it and on the edge as well. So now it's just time for it to cure. It's box says about 4 hours, but the sun's about to come around here on this side of the house and warm it up, so it may be less time. But after I get done with this part and it's hardened, then I flip it over, and then do the outer side of it.
Never thought this would be our end, but it's nothing new. And my lover's honesty, I could push it back down if I have to. If you want me.
All right, first fender flare removed. This is 2 years under the car.
So tell me now, what's left to lose if we run?
So this is the car at high height, my highest setting. Next fender flare off. So I'm gonna clean this up and then start working this. Okay, so tape marked off, and I've got my holes marked for drilling. So on to the next.